What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. So I thought of making this video right away because actually I was working on the car. So if you guys remember, I had a Remus sticker on the boot of the car. The car came with a Remus engine, right? So the previous owner decided to put the sticker on the boot just above the exhaust. So if you guys know the overall theme and overall my plan about this car is to make a sleeperish kind of car. It's supposed to be a stealth. Yes, I got the exact word. So I want this to be a stealth build. So whatever you see will be either blacked out or you won't see it right away. That Remus sticker was like not fitting in the plan, so I had to take it off. I guess I didn't show you guys properly, but I had two supercharged badges on the front fenders. So there you go. I had my tools out, so I thought of making this quick video. Basically, I wanted to replace all the logos I had on the car. So let me show you. So I have two new badges for the front and the rear. With these emblems, the car will get like a more stealthy look and a more blacked out look. So that's what I'm going for. This is the rear one. So both are basically same, and they both are 80mm, I guess. This one is for the steering wheel. So it is a 55mm logo, and finally these are for the wheel caps. Again, the new logo. Now let's go out and start replacing all the logos. So if you are also planning to change all the emblems and logo, you might want to consider a few things that you need. First of all, a heat gun. Secondly, something like a glue gun or something. But all of you, my desi friends, तुम लोग को वो glue gun करके वो जो चीज़ है वो नहीं मिलेगी इंडिया में. अगर मिलती भी है तो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव होगी. तो ये इंडिया का ब्रांड है कोई. And I've been using this और ये बहुत cheap है और बहुत अच्छा है. 150-160 का can, spray based. Leaving this aside, you might also want some rubbing compound and few microfiber. So sometimes the surface behind the sticker or the badges gets cloudy and faded. Now let's go out and start working. So we are outside now. Here's the car, that Remus sticker. I'll show you guys. So check it out how cleaner the rear looks now. Check out how clean it looks. Now we'll begin by firstly changing all these center cap logos. This one is already missing. These are just an overlay and they are already in such a bad condition. The same on the other side. These are coming out. Yep, came out. So we'll first begin by changing these. So let's go. Now what I'll do is just get a damp cloth and clean off any excess dirt and all. So if you have any glue remaining from the old sticker or the old logo, you just spray that glue gun or the spray I told you about. So as you can see, it's very clean, no residual gum. Get one off, take the adhesive side off, and what I like to do is heat it up for like 3-4 seconds. This becomes really tacky, holds onto the surface very nice. Yep, looks nice. Let's start doing the other one. It's done now and it looks so good from this distance. Now we'll start off with these main badges. So I'll keep you on tripod and we'll start working. To take off the main logo, first I'll use this painter's tape to mask off all the surface. Otherwise you will scratch up the surrounding paint. So let's first do that. masked it. Now we'll go on to the next step. I'll start heating the glue behind this logo. I'll keep doing that till the surface of the paint gets kind of uncomfortable to touch. It can get damaged, so we have to stop it before it gets too hot for our hand to touch. Then we'll try to pry it apart with these panel tools. So let's begin. So it's off now. Now I'll heat it up and take off the remaining glue. So I made it a bit warm and I'll take the cover off of this logo. So now turn it off now. Check it out. Wow, it looks so amazing. I can't wait to actually see it properly. And also the car is pretty dirty, so I need to give it a wash. But wow, it looks so much better now. Yes, now it has been successfully done. Now we'll go on the front side. I should just turn the car around. I guess the front end should turn out even better because of the smoked headlights I have. So again, I'll repeat the process. So it came off, but it was a bit tough than the rear one. So I'll clean all this thing from here. So as you can see, I've cleaned it properly. Just check out the front one. I knew it would turn out even better than the rear one. Now we are just left with the one logo and this one. So let's do it. Steering wheel one. Let's open it up. Here we have it. And it will be replacing. Oh my god, this is going to look so nice. It is just an overlay, not an emblem like the front and rear. So I just need to clean this and it will go on top of this. Let's see it for the last time, how it looks. Okay, so I don't know, it was kind of a successful day. Nothing went wrong, everything went pretty smooth. Oh my god, this, especially this steering wheel logo, it looks so nice. I just cannot stop looking at this. Wow. And if you guys don't know, I am leaving for Pune soon, so I guess this is all the time I had for this car, like for the part 1 of this build, sorting out everything and doing all the supportive mods and making it a reliable daily. And like I've restored it, I feel I made it look nice. This console panel replaced like all the bushings. Now it feels so crisp. S-line gear knob, the gator. So this part was missing, so I utilized it. It looks so nice now. I can keep my phone and stuff over here. Replaced this cup holder. It's very unique. Replaced all LEDs and all. It was a fun time working on this car. Now the next things you will be seeing will be like more intimidating, more serious stuff. This is all the fun stuff that you get to do when you get a new car. These small things make the huge difference. You can sleep so peacefully tonight. Like I've done something nice to the car. It looks like nice and it looks perfect according to my taste. So let's wrap up this video. it.